Then next is the types of complexes. Types of complexes. There are different types of complexes, and this classification depends on different things. First classification, types, instead of types we can say classification of complexes. That classification depends on the nature of ligands. Depending on ligands. These are classified into two types, that is homoleptic complexes and second one is heteroleptic complexes. Homoleptic complexes and heteroleptic complexes. So what are homoleptic complexes? These homoleptic complexes, central metal ion is attached to only one type of ligands. Central metal atom is attached to only one kind of ligands or donor atoms. Only one kind of ligands or donor atoms. For example, CONH3 3 plus. Ligands are same, that is NH36. FeCN6 3 minus CONH3 6Cl3 or K3FeCN6. Same ligands are there. In this case, 6 of their molecules are linked to cobalt. Only one kind of ligand. In this case, Cn is attached to Fe. That is only one kind of ligand is there. So these are homoleptic complexes in which the central metal ion is attached to only one kind of donor atoms or ligands. And the complexes which contains more than one kind of donor atoms. More than one kind of donor atoms. More than one kind of donor atoms are known as heteroleptic complexes. These are heteroleptic complexes. For example, CO, NH3 4Cl2 plus. In this case, the ligands are NH3 and Cl2. Therefore, it is a heteroleptic complex. In this case, ligands are NH3 and Cl2. So this is the example of heteroleptic complexes. Or CO, NH3 4Cl Br. This is also heteroleptic complex. Different ligands are there, or more than one kind of donor atoms or ligands are there. Hence, these are known as heteroleptic complexes. Then, one more thing that we have to see, one more classification, that depending on the nature of complex ion, another classification, depending on the nature of complex ions, these are classified into three types. Nature of complex ion. These are classified into three types, that is cationic detergents, cationic complexes, anionic complexes and neutral complexes. Cationic complexes, anionic complexes and neutral complexes. The complexes in which complex ion carries positive charge. In these complexes, complex ion carries positive charge. that complexes are known as cationic complexes. In this case, complex ion carries positive charge. For example, CO NH36Cl3. It dissociates as CO NH36 3 plus 3Cl minus. So this complex ion carries positive charge, hence it is the cationic complex. One more example, FeH2O6Cl3. H2O6Cl3. It dissociates as FeH2O6 3 plus 3Cl minus. So this complex ion carries positive charge. This complex ion carries positive charge and hence it is a cationic complex. This is a cationic complex because this complex ion carries positive charge. Another type of complex is anionic complex. This anionic complex in this anionic complex ion carries negative charge. Complex ion carries negative charge. This complex ion carries negative charge. For example, K3FeCl6. It dissociates as 3K plus FeCl6 3 minus. This FeCl6 contains negative charge, hence it is an anionic complex. KAgCl twice. It dissociates as K plus AgCl twice minus. So this complex ion carries negative charge, hence it is a anionic complex. And third type of complex, that is neutral complex. It has no charge. The complex, it has no charge. It does not carry any charge. For example, NiCO4 times, no charge. Then PtNH3 twice Cl2, no charge. So these complexes are neutral complexes. They do not carry any charge, hence these are the neutral complexes. Then one more term that we have to see is charge number. So this is the classification of these complexes. These are classified by two different ways. Charge number of complex ion. Charge number of complex ion. So the net charge carried by the complex ion, the net charge carried by complex ion is called charge number. Net charge carried by complex ion is called charge number. It is algebraic sum of the all charges which are present on the metal ion, ligands and counterions. For example, FeCl6 3 minus or K3FeCl6. So how to calculate charge number? So charge number is equal to this Cl minus 6 into minus 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 1. So minus 6 plus 3, so minus 3. This is the charge number. So it may be written as FeCl6 3 minus, this is the charge number. So the net charge carried by the complex ion is charge number. On these bits, the MCQs may be asked that what is the charge number of this complex, like this. Or in case of classification, suppose we have seen that two types of classification, that is homoleptic and heteroleptic complexes. In these cases, the MCQs may be asked like that: which of the following is homocyclic heteroleptic complex, which of the following is homoleptic complex, and 4 alternatives are given there. Similarly, the question may be asked on anionic, cationic and neutral complexes. Which of the following is cationic complex, which of the following is anionic complex, which of the following is neutral complex, like that MCQs are asked. Then, before that, we have seen coordination number. The MCQ may ask to you that what is the coordination number of these so and so complexes, especially when chillets are there. The coordination number is not as usual, but it is somewhat different because it depends on the number of donor atoms, and hence the question may be asked on the number of ligands present in the complexes. Similarly, before that, we have seen the ligands and their types. In that, the question may be asked which of the following is ambidentate ligand, polydentate or bidentate, tridentate, tetradentate, hexadentate ligand, like this. So, we should know the examples of ligands, types of ligands, and all these things. These are the terms which are involved in the coordination chemistry, but the question or MCQs may ask on this topic. The next term that we have to see is coordination polyhedron. Coordination polyhedron. What is coordination polyhedron? So it is the spatial arrangement of ligands. Spatial arrangement of ligands around the central metal atom. Around central metal atom. The spatial arrangement of ligands around central metal atom is the coordination polyhedron, or it is also known as geometry. Generally, the coordination number of the complexes is 4 or 6. If the coordination number is 4, then they can have the coordination polyhedra, that is tetrahedral or square planar. For example, NiCO4 has tetrahedral geometry and PtCl4 2 minus has a square planar geometry. And if coordination number of the compound is 6, then the geometry of the complex is octahedral. For example, CONH3 6 3 plus, or CONH3 4 times Cl2 plus. The coordination number of the complexes is 6, and hence its geometry is octahedral. So different types of spatial arrangements may be drawn, that is tetrahedral, square planar, octahedral. These are the usual geometries. For example, this is central metal ion and this is the ligand. So we may draw it as this type of geometry, which is a tetrahedral. Then square planar, central metal ion, and these 4 ligands are in same plane. Hence it is a square planar. This is a square planar. In case of octahedral, the central metal ion, the 4 ligands are in one plane, and there is one above the plane and one is below the plane. Such type of ligand is there and it is known as octahedral geometry. Then trigonal bipyramidal is there. Trigonal bipyramidal. In this case, central metal atom is attached to such type of three ligands and one is above and another is below. So this is trigonal bipyramidal. And one more is square pyramidal. So central metal ion, these are the four ligands in square and one more ligand in upper side. This is the square pyramid, like this. So these are the different coordination polyhedra which are present in case of complexes. This coordination polyhedra depends on the hybridization of the orbitals which are present in the central metal atom or ion. The MCQ may ask in this that so and so complex has coordination polyhedra, or which of the following has tetrahedral geometry or coordination polyhedra, which of the following has octahedral geometry, or the geometry of so and so complex is, and some alternatives are there. So MCQ may ask on this coordination polyhedra